Hello guys, we're here now at
NAIA Terminal 3.
yes. So first is mag check-in muna kami ng baggage as an overpacker.
Yeah.
Siya.
Look at my bag, guys. Look at my bag. Look at her bag. Look at her bag.
So guys, tapos na kami sa check-in, tsaka sa CR. So next is immigration. So update na lang namin kayo. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I was born ready.
Okay, bye guys. Hi guys. So guess what? We passed the immigration.
Top-notchers.
Yes.
Yeah.
So ang mga gias sa akin is only if saan ako nag-school. And kay Kaysa is
First, sino ang kasama mo? Dun, 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 dun. The next, kaano-ano mo siya? Dun, 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 dun. And the next, kailan balik nyo? And the next, vacation lang naman, no? And then, nag-aaral, and then, what school? That's it. Hashtag top 2. I'll bring it back to the top notcher, the top number 1. The number 1 girl.
guys, grabe pa yung kaba namin. Kadami namin i-prepare na questions. Sino lang yung ask. Siguro kay student pa manggutas ang. So, yun talaga yung ano. Mas less yung questions nila if student ka. So, yun lang. Mag-dinner na kami kasi ang boarding is 7:20 and it's 6:12. Guys, time check. It's 2:14.
Yeah. Both so tired.
We are in Kuala Lumpur.
We made it.
We are lost.
Lost in the woods.
Guys, time check. It's 3 a.m.
It's freaking 3:04.
And ina-wait na lang namin ang Grab.
In drive.
Ay, in-drive pala.
Supposed to be 50 ringgit, but nag-offer sila ng 60. Like,
Pwede din, no?
yeah. Compared sa Miss Philippines. Philippines.
Hi guys, good morning. It's our first full day here in Malaysia. So first is mag-lunch muna kami. So guys, we're on our way to hop on, hop off na pick up point. 20 minutes away siya sa hotel namin and maglakad kami.
18 minutes to go. Let's go.
18 na lang.
Oh.
Guys, did you know na this is our first international travel without our family? What can you say?
Feels very hard.
So guys, nahirap pala walang pamilya kasi pera mo. Guys, bila ka minutes left? Guys, 5 minutes left. And wala pa kaming napili na kainan.
Bye, 5 pesos, bye.
5 ringgit na, bye! 20 plus pod. Siyempre, alam niyo na saan kami kakain. Magdo! So guys, we are on the hop on and hop off bus.
Bye, it's so hot, bye.
Bye, marami ginihaw, bye! How much ganyan itong ticket?
700.
So, nabook namin siya sa Klook for 706 a day before.
Yeah.
And
Masulit siya.
masulit siya kaysa mag-book ka per per tourist spot. Kasi ito siya. Mayroon silang ganito. And sabi sa amin pag-claim ng ticket is 2 hours, it takes 2 hours daw na ma-finish mo yung buong tour. Tapos yung bus every stop, ang interval niya is 20 to 30 minutes. Look, madami masyadong spots. Andito din yung Little India, I think. Ito, Surya Shopping Mall. Yes, I think masulit if mag-hop on and hop off bus kayo kasi less hassle. And yung ticket namin is until tomorrow pa siya 2 p.m. So, pwede namin siya gamitin ulit tomorrow. Pero day tour lang ta, no? Wala, dilita night. So, yun. Ayun na, nag-start na. So, I think ang first stop is Masjid India. So, new siya sa map. So, sulit na siya kasi hindi mo na kailangan i-think yung transpo. And yun lang, yung ticketing booth or yung pick-up point is 20 minutes siya away sa hotel namin. Pero, 20 minutes walk. Pero okay na din.
You should exercise, guys.
10,000 steps achieved.
If you plan to hop off, the next bus will from local and international airports.
Tower. So guys, we're here at KL Tower. It's on my back. So it's the 8th stop ng hop on and hop off. And it's so hot.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah. So guys, this is our last stop. The KL Tower.
Yeah. Because guys, it's already 4 o'clock and the tour ends at 5.
Ay, yes. So tomorrow na lang yung garden.
Yeah.
So yung ticket namin is valid pa hanggang 2 p.m. tomorrow. So pwede pa yung isang route is 9 a.m. So what's your rating?
10 out of 10.
Sa buong trip?
So far.
Yeah, for me din. Siguro mga 9 kasi mainit. So guys, we're going to my town. Walang Christinang sa pavilion. And it's 38 minutes walk from here. Ang another mall na may Christinang. So let's see. Guys, pinanindigan talaga namin yung maglakarin namin yung 30 minutes. So, dito na kami sa TRX. Guys, nandito na kami. Ito yung The Exchange TRX. 7:30 p.m. na. But there's still light. Okay guys, got the goods. Watsons lang ng Watsons. Guys, we're here now at Jalan Alor Night Market. So guys, we are now at Jalan Alor Food Street Night Market something. Night market nila dito. So open siya until 3 to 4 a.m. daw. Pero sa online kasi sabi hanggang 12 a.m. lang. So, dito na yung food namin. And guys, 750 meters away lang siya sa hotel. Pero kasi sabi na hindi daw safe mag-walk ng gantong oras. Pero sabi niya safe man daw, pero wag lang daw before 12 a.m. Pero nung nag-ask kasi kami, it's already 10 p.m. So, nag-decide kami na mag-grab na lang. So, malapit lang talaga siya, pero yun nga, eskinita kasi yung papasok sa night market. So, yeah. It's better to be safe than sorry, lalo na dalawa lang kami na babae. Ano ang lakas namin, no? Pero inas namin yung grab driver. Safe man daw, pero yun lang, wag talaga mag-go sa mga places na madidilim. So, yun lang guys. Quick story time. So, magkain na kami. Hi guys, good morning. So it's our second day in Malaysia. So today, ituloy lang namin yung garden route ng hop on and hop off. But first, mag-brunch muna kami. Sabi namin 9 kami magalis. But girl things. Ang outfit for today is denim and hello guys, we're on our way to Swiss Garden. So yun yung first stop ng garden route. So dito na kami sa hop on and hop off. Estado na naman kami. Guys, we are here at Merdeka Square. Say hi. Ano siya guys? Meron silang mataas na pole. Parang flagpole nila. Ano to explanation?
Okay, so apparently before the Petronas Twin Tower, mo nilang like isa sa mga landmark. So since na to,
So, nung hindi pa ganun ka-famous ang hindi pa ka-famous ang Petronas, ang GL Tower is meron to. Ito yung pinaka, siguro nila. Pioneering na tourist spot. Guys, ito na yung street art. Betaling street art. Walkable lang din siya away sa Chinatown. Hello guys, we're done at Petaling Street Art. So next is snacks. Close ang burial. So before kami nagpunta dito is ng Chinatown kami and I got my ref magnet. So yung kay Kesa is 6 Malaysian ringgit. 6 pila ka pieces? 6 pieces. Yun siya yung parang naka-bundle. Yung sa akin is 3 for 10 Malaysian ringgit. Kasi nag-vary siya sa design. So pakita ko na lang later. Hindi na ako naka-vlog sa Chinatown kasi grabe ka congested ng tao. Grabe kadami. Kadaming stall and hindi mo maganon yung camera doon. Tingnan nyo na lang yung TikTok. Nag-short video ako sa loob ng Chinatown. So malapit lang yung Petaling Street Art sa Chinatown. Mga 3 minutes walk. Guys, we're going to Petronas again. Para Petronas at night. Nag-in-drive na kami, hindi na namin kaya lakarin yan.
hindi like it siya, 40 minutes.
Yung gilakad namin nung last from Pavilion to My Town na mall. 38 minutes yun, pero ngayon parang kanina pa kasi kami 11 a.m. na sa labas. So, hindi na namin kaya lakarin. We're so drained.
Convenience fee.
Guys, we're here. Let's go. So nice at night. Wow. Grabe kaliwanag ng Petronas. Wow. So nice. Guys, we're now at Petronas. You know, yan. Ganyan na spot, guys. Yan nasa taas. Yan ang ginahanap namin. Let's see. Ang nagtao. Uy! Bye, Petronas. Pag-alis na kami, guys. Kailangan pa namin mag-eat. I think it's already, it's already 8:40. Parang 8 pa kasi nagadilim dito. So, kailangan siya at night. Guys, mas maganda talaga siya at night, yung Petronas. Nagpunta kami dito ng 2017. Nagpa-picture kami sa Petronas, pero malayo kami noon. Hindi ko na ma-remember saan kami banda. Hindi ganito kalapit. No to. Like, it's so nice, guys. So far, ang pinaka nagandahan ako na place is etong Petronas talaga. Sa bagay, ito man talaga ang most well-known spot dito sa Malaysia, di ba? Pag Twin Towers, Malaysia agad. So nice.